Welcome to Uncle David's How to Speak Fukien in the Philippines, Lesson 310, Pronouns, Part 1. Here we will discuss personal pronouns. Personal pronouns, singular. Ako, I, me, gwa, ikaw, you, di, siya, he, she, him, her, ito, it, this, sige, yun, it, that, hige. Now we will make a basic sentence using Chinese Taglish. But first, let me introduce to you a very useful word. Tagalog, I. English, is, are, am. Fukien, si. Example, English, I am John. Accepted Chinese Taglish, gwa si John. Making sentence using the accepted Chinese Taglish. In English, I am Peter. You are Paul. She is Mary. In Chinese, gwa si Peter. Di si Paul. I si Mary. English, this is plastic. That is wood. Chinese, sige si plastic, hige si wood. We use the English word of plastic and wood in the sentence because we haven't teach their Chinese translations yet. Also, they are common words, but for the sake of knowing, plastic, soka, wood, cha. So in complete Chinese Fukien sentence, in English, this is plastic, that is wood. In Chinese, sige si soka, hige si cha. Remember, people in the Philippines usually knows a lot of English words. So when you speak Chinese, you can mix English and or Tagalog. It is much easier to be understood instead of speaking pure Fukien Chinese. Personal pronouns, plural. Kami, we, us, gun, tayo, we, us, dan, kayo, you, din, sila, they, them, in, mga ito, it, this, chway, mga iyon, it, those, why. Note, sige means a or one. In English, we are a family, you are a pair, they are a group. Gun si, sige family, din si, sige pair, in si, sige group. Or, in Chinese, gun si family, din si pair, in si group. In English, these are plastics, those are woods. In Chinese, chway si plastic, why si wood. Personal pronouns, special case. If you are talking to an elder or senior, you must use the plural form so as to give respect. Kayo, you, din, tayo, we, dan. Respect to an elder, stranger, kayo, you, din. Respect to a known person such as an elder, relative, or elder friend, tayo, we, dan. Kayo, you, din. Example, Tagalog, kayo ba si Mr. Tan? In English, are you Mr. Tan? In Chinese, din si Mr. Tan ba? Note, ba is a Tagalog word, more of an expression than an adverb or an article, often used in Chinese Taglish sentences in the Philippines. Tayo, we, dan. Example, in Tagalog, tayo ba si Uncle David? In English, are you Uncle David? In Chinese, dan si Uncle David ba? Remember, practice makes perfect.